Good morning everyone, this is Neha. I am back with day 3 of our session where we are going to try and learn how to keep our mind calm and relaxed. So as we are learning from past 2 days how to breathe. So we'll try to extend and deeper our practice little more today. So before we start, make sure that you have a comfortable mat. You are sitting comfortably either on the chair or on the floor. You can choose Padmasana, Sukhasana or Vajrasana, any of these 3 postures to sit on the ground. And make sure that you have a space which doesn't have a lot of noise around you, so that you can listen to my instructions clearly and practice. Now sit down comfortably, keep your shoulders down. The moment you are sitting down on the ground, make sure that you're dropping your body weight down. You're not holding yourself too tight. You want to be like a bit relaxed. Keep your shoulders a bit relaxed. Make sure that you don't round your shoulder. Try to lift your spine up and chin lifted up. So this is what is going to help you to have a better energy flow when you're breathing in and breathing out. Just avoid your spine curving. If you think your spine is like rounded, you can take a help of the wall. So without any further delay, let's start the session. So I'm assuming that you're sitting on the ground, you're pretty comfortable, shoulders are down. Turn both the palm to the ceiling. You're going to close your eyes. We're going to take 10 long breath in and long breath out. Make sure that these breath in, breath out are very comfortable, slow. You're not putting any pressure on the nostril. The sound should not come out. The person next to you should not hear that you're breathing. That means it has to be really slow and smooth. Okay, I'll give you the counts. It will help you to practice along with me. Now let's close our eyes, both the hands on the thighs, palm towards the ceiling. Now first 1 or 2 normal breathe in, breathe out. Close your eyes, spine straight, turn your palm to the ceiling. Now before we start deep breaths, let's try and do few normal breaths. Just breathing in, breathe out. One more time. Now 10 deep breaths. Inhale. Fill the air in the stomach and the chest. And exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Exhale. 10. And exhale. Now breathe normally. You don't have to keep your breath long or short. Just try to keep it naturally the way it is. Now open your eyes. Okay. So next one, we're going to feel our breath a little more deeper. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep right hand on the chest, left hand on the stomach. So when you breathe in and breathe out, you have to let your chest and stomach expand how much ever it wants, and contracts obviously when you breathe in. So try to feel it much more freely. Okay, so we're going to do this 10 times. Right hand on the chest, left hand on the stomach. Now close your eyes. Now breathe in, breathe out normally once or twice. Now take a deeper inhale. Expand your chest and stomach. And exhale. Feel the movement. 2. And exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Exhale. 10. And exhale. Release the hand. Keep your hands on the knee. Just keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Just breathe normally. Left hand chin mudra, eyes closed. Right hand, right thumb on the right nostril. Inhale from the left side. Take a deep breath in from the left side. Breath out from the right side. Inhale from the right side. Exhale from the left side. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Drop your hands down, both the hands in Chin Mudra. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your breath normal. Just observe the way you're breathing right now. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly open your eyes. Okay, so now we are going to try a different way of breathing. So I do not want to explain too much here. I just want to show you how to practice, because this is kind of important for you to understand the technique than knowing a lot depth details. As I want to keep the video short and focus only on the breathing part right now, So let us quickly start. So now keep your both the hands in Chin Mudra. This doesn't fall under Pranayama. This is actually a bandha which will help you to hold your breath and help you to understand how it works. The most important thing, it is very good for your throat. Okay, now here you're going to take a deep breath in. Once you take all the air inside, you're going to drop your chin down to the chest. Hold your breath there. Okay, and you come up and you exhale. Alright, so I'll give you the instructions, so let us practice together. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in, fill the air to the stomach and the chest. Drop your chin down, don't breathe, hold and stay there. Lift your chin up, exhale. Inhale once again. Hold your breath, drop your chin down. Lift your chin up and exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath, chin down. Lift your chin up, exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Drop your chin down. Lift your chin up, exhale. Last one. Inhale. Chin down. Lift your chin up, exhale. Now just breathe normally. And you can see that your breath is by default long. You don't have to put any effort. Observe this. If your practice is correct so far, then now without trying to take a deep breath in, breathe out, your breath should be naturally long enough. Just pay attention to the way you're breathing right now. Keep your focus, keep your mind only on the breath right now. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Just try to be here without trying to make any movement in the body. Try to keep your spine in a straight line. Just look at the way breath going in and coming out. The most powerful thing on this earth is your breath. Just try to feel it for a second. with all your awareness, get your both the palm together, Namaskara Mudra. Rub your both the palm gently. Drop it on your eyes. Open your eyes and look into your palm. Very good morning. I hope it was a peaceful and a relaxing session for your breath as well as for your mind. If you enjoy practicing with me, please like the video, and if you think you need to share it with somebody, it will help them, do share it, and don't forget to drop a comment because I'll be looking forward for it to understand and to see your experience. I'll see you tomorrow same time. Thank you so much. Keep practicing. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.